Hi everyone, welcome back to FamiGuard. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to upload videos to your WhatsApp status. Once you're on the status screen, you'll see a camera icon. Tap on it. This will open your camera roll, where you can choose an existing video or record a new one right away. WhatsApp will prompt you to trim the video if it's longer than 30 seconds. You can also add a caption if you want. Just type it in the Add a Caption box at the bottom. Once you're happy with the video, simply tap on the green arrow icon to post it. And that's it. Your video will be visible to all your contacts on WhatsApp for the next 24 hours. There are times when there are some security concerns, such as parents being aware of their child's mobile phone usage, especially with popular social apps like WhatsApp. That's when parents may need FamiGuard for WhatsApp, a software for tracking WhatsApp that can be used for parental control. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if there are any other WhatsApp features you want to learn about. Happy posting, and see you in the next video.